Welcome back to ZeroDiabetes Zone. Today, we're tackling a topic that's often surrounded by questions and concerns: diabetes and alcohol. Can you enjoy a drink safely? What should you be aware of? Let's dive in and find out. First things first, it's important to understand how alcohol can affect your blood sugar levels. Alcohol can cause both high and low blood sugar, depending on various factors such as the type of drink, how much you consume, and whether you've eaten recently. So, moderation and mindful choices are key. Here are some guidelines to help you enjoy alcohol safely if you have diabetes. Number 1. Check with your doctor. Always consult your healthcare provider before drinking alcohol. They can provide personalized advice based on your specific health condition and medication regimen. Number 2. Know your limits. Moderation is crucial. For women, up to 1 drink per day, and for men, up to 2 drinks per day is generally considered safe. But remember, these are maximum limits, not goals. Number 3. Choose wisely. Opt for drinks with lower sugar content. Dry wines, light beers, and spirits mixed with sugar-free mixers are better options. Avoid sugary cocktails and mixers that can spike your blood sugar levels. Number 4. Never drink on an empty stomach. Always eat a balanced meal before or while drinking. Food helps slow the absorption of alcohol and keeps your blood sugar more stable. Number 5. Monitor your blood sugar. Check your blood sugar before, during, and after drinking. This will help you understand how alcohol affects you and allow you to take action if your levels go too high or too low. Number 6. Stay hydrated. Alcohol can dehydrate you, so drink plenty of water. Alternate between alcoholic beverages and water to stay hydrated and reduce the overall amount of alcohol you consume. Number 7. Be prepared. Carry a source of fast-acting sugar, like glucose tablets or juice, in case you experience hypoglycemia. Wear a medical ID bracelet that states you have diabetes. Number 8. Know the signs. Recognize the symptoms of high and low blood sugar. Confusion, dizziness, and unusual behavior can mimic alcohol intoxication, but might actually be signs of a serious blood sugar issue. Number 9. Plan ahead. If you're going out, make sure you have a safe way to get home. Avoid driving or operating machinery after drinking, as alcohol can impair your judgment and reaction times. Remember, enjoying a drink now and then can be part of a balanced lifestyle, even with diabetes. The key is to make informed choices and always prioritize your health and safety. Sometimes, you might just want to join the fun without alcohol. Sparkling water with a splash of lemon or lime is a refreshing alternative that keeps you hydrated and fits perfectly with your diabetes management plan. Thanks for joining us today on Zero Diabetes Zone. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more diabetes-friendly tips and recipes. Have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover? Leave a comment below. Stay safe and healthy, everyone. See you next time.